Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This has been like a proper sit down video after a really long time. I've been enjoying vlogging, and if you guys have not checked my vlogs, check it out. You get to know a lot more about my life. I'll leave it up in the cards if you guys have not checked it out. So check it out. And today's video is all about my Nykaa Pink Friday sale. I go gaga over this sale every time. Before starting today's video, if you're new here, hi, I'm Aarati. I love makeup, fashion, lifestyle, and I love vlogging a lot. And please consider subscribing and join my family. It will mean a lot to me. And let's get started with today's video. Before starting today's video, let me count the number of boxes I got from Nykaa because of their sale.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the bigger box, 8.
Alright, this is the 8th box. I put all of my stuff in this box so that it's easier for me to like open and check and show you guys. So yeah, let's get started. I've spent like a lot of amount on this makeup, and trust me, my bank balance is not happy. But yearly once, I love spending a lot of money on makeup because it's personally my favorite thing. I love makeup so much. So it doesn't matter to me, but I really want to spend money on such makeup, and it took me a lot of time to come to this place wherein I can afford high quality, high-end makeup and try their brands as well. I've bought some products that I've never tried, but I really wanted to try them because I've heard such good recommendations. So yeah, that is all about it. I'm having Maaza because it's really late in the night and it's 12:15 and I need all the sugary energy I can. So yeah. Lovely. Alright, let's jump into today's video. The first thing that I'm going to pick up in random order, so it's no particular order. So the first one is actually this Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the Jaclyn X Morphe collaboration with, this is the volume 1 palette, and look how beautiful it is. This is super pretty. I really like it. I already have the volume 2. I got it for my birthday in October as a gift actually. So I thought, why not have both the collections? They look really pretty, so I got this. The next thing that I got is something from Bobbi Brown. This is their Bobbi Brown mini extra lip tint kit. It comes with 3 shades. One is a bare melon, one is a nude pink, and there is a bare pink again. So there are like 3 shades in this. I'm gonna open and show you guys. I'm gonna try opening it. These look so beautiful. Like, look how tiny they look, and they're like 3 shades, and I really like them. This is, I think it's a bare nude sparkle. It has a beautiful, like, it's just a tint with a little sparkle. The camera cannot pick it up because it's very barely there, like the name. Really pretty. I feel like these I can put them in my car or either in some of my purses because it's really easy to, like, you know, hydrate my lips. Now that we're living in the mask zone, my lips get very dry. The next thing that I have is something from Revolution. I got the pink shades because I really like this kind of a color tone. I like this color story, so I got this. Another one I got from Revolution is this is the Revolution Dreamer palette. It has a lot of colors, and really it looks very bold and pretty. I'm not swatching anything because I want to do a proper video with all of this makeup, so I'm really waiting to do a get ready with me. The next thing that I got is something I've actually been using. This is it's already here. This is the e.l.f.'s Ride or Die Lip Balm. This is how it looks like. I got the pink shade. It's like this is the e.l.f. Ride or Die Pink Lip Balm. This is in the shade, I want to say, is Boss Berry. It looks like a very hot pink. I've already started using this one. This is the Tough Cookie. And this is more like a nude shade. I really like this one. So I got both. I did not remove this from the packaging because I've tried to put as much as packaging possible for things that I feel like you can really like it, and I really like this very clear packaging. It's very neutral, and it gives you out the color very easily. The next thing I got is the Simple's 10% Niacinamide. I've seen them recently come out. I think it's about 2 months I've seen them come out. It's a booster serum that instantly absorbs and moisturizes for all skin types, for even skin tone and all skin types. So I really wanted to try a niacinamide, and I really like the Simple products. Like you can see, it's literally on my vanity. The Simple's Protecting Light Moisturizer SPF 15. I use this every day because I might skip on a sunscreen, but this I'll never skip on. So it's really good. The next thing I got is another eyeshadow palette. This is from a brand called as Pigment Play. I have never seen this. Look at the shades. These are so pigmented, so bold, and I only have one eyeshadow palette like this. That is from Miss Claire and it's really old. I've never found any eyeshadow palettes that match up to that expectation, at least in the affordable range. So I got this one. The next one I got is my Ride or Die. This is my Laneige lip sleeping mask. I've used it so many times. I think this is my 7th or 10th bottle that I've been using it. I really like this one so much and I cannot make do with any other lip balms. This is something that is a must in my life. I can use other lip balms as a topper, but definitely I need that one. The next thing I got is something really funny. This is actually the Colgate toothbrush. It has that vibrating thingy over here. I've never used it, so I wanted to try giving this a shot. At the end of the day, when you have to toss it over, you only have to replace this part of the toothbrush. So I feel like that is much less of a plastic. So I feel like this is really good. I'm gonna give it a shot, and it has really tiny bristles. Like the bristles are like half of my index, like, you know, the top part. And I feel like, so I don't know if you guys know this, but when you're applying your toothpaste, you have to apply literally a glob of the toothpaste, not more than that. So I think this will be perfect for me to even minimize on my toothpaste consumption as well. So I got this one, really random, really stupid. The next one I got is actually a lipstick. This is from the Faces Canada. This is their new launch, if I'm not wrong. And I got this shade number 2. It's a really bright yellow. This is a really bright red color. I'm definitely going to use all of this in an upcoming Get Ready With Me. So please stay tuned. I'm not swatching anything because it's going to take forever with the amount of products I've ordered. The next few products are completely high-end and it's like my dream. I cannot even tell you guys. It took me so many years, I think 5-6 years of all of my money investments, all of my money saving techniques to come here. And this is something I'm really proud of, you guys, and I waited so long to try all of this. The first one I have is from Nude Sticks. This is their lip blush and highlighter kind of a situation, and it comes in this really cute packaging. Like, this is how the box look like, and I feel like these are the sticks. I have the shades, I want to say, I think this is in the shades Nudies. These are like really pretty nudes, and I feel like you can use them anytime and anywhere. And nowadays I'm into a lot of cream products, so I feel like this will work amazingly well. The next thing I got is from Charlotte Tilbury. I never thought I'll tell this name from my mouth. I got 2 palettes from them. One is the luxury palette and the other one is the Pillow Talk palette. Charlotte Tilbury is very famous for their Pillow Talk palettes. So I got both of these. I'm going to show you guys how they look in palettes itself. I want to show the packaging because packaging is completely different. Like, the outside carton is different, but when you put them side to side, you don't know which one is Pillow Talk and you don't know which one is the luxury palette. Both of them look identical. So I'm going to open and show you guys what Charlotte Tilbury's luxury palette looks like, as well as Pillow Talk. Alright, this is how they look like. The up one is the Pillow Talk and the down one is called as Charlotte Tilbury's luxury palette. Both of them are really pretty. The Pillow Talk, however, has very light tones. Like, these are like extremely light. I don't know whether the camera is picking it up, but these are really light, but I can make them work. And this is literally the smoky thing, and you get a beautiful high quality mirror, you guys. This mirror is amazing, and they feel very heavy weight. Like, this pigment palette, even though it is more in number, this feels heavier than this. And the last one I got from Charlotte Tilbury is their Charlotte Tilbury Lip Luster in the shade, I want to say, Candy Darling. This is how it looks like. It's more of a redder tone. I don't know why they told Candy Darling. It doesn't have anything to do with it. But yeah, it really looks pretty. And the packaging is really different, okay? It has a hexagonal, it is hexagon, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's like a hexagonal or pentagon shaped lipstick. Really pretty. Like the Fenty packaging, this is how it looks like. Like, really, Nykaa released Fenty on, and I'll be dead. And then last brand that I bought things from are Huda Beauty. They had these crazy deals, like the pastel eyeshadow palettes were for 720 rupees, and I couldn't get my hands on them, and I'm so sad. But I tried grabbing as much as I can. The first one I got is actually a mascara. This is the Huda Beauty's Legit Lashes Mascara. I follow Huda on all the platforms possible, and I really like her for how authentically she speaks. It takes a lot of effort and time to make a brand, and, you know, invest everything you have into a brand is really good. And when it comes from a female entrepreneur, I feel like you can give as much support as you can. I know it's very costly. Huda Beauty is expensive, but I feel like it is worth the products, make them worth it. The first one is the Legit Lashes mascara. So the next one I got is from their Haze palette collection. I got the Khaki palette as well as the purple palette. The purple palette is actually up my alley. They have a lot of purple tones, really pretty. They look really cool. These have most of the berry shades, really pretty. And I love the shimmers as well. They have like 5 shimmers and 5 shimmers and 4 mattes, and they work with all skin tones. I really like it. Another one I have is actually a Khaki Haze palette, and this is so beautiful. I don't think the camera is giving the true colors, but this is actually an olive green, and it is so yucky olive green that I cannot wait to like try and get my hands on. I'm really waiting to try. We're almost at the end of the video. I have more 5 products, that's all. The next one I got is actually their Mercury Retrograde. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my god, I cannot, like, even the colors are so pretty, so beautiful. I know that the camera is not giving up the right colors, but I'll try popping some pictures or something. But look at the colors, like the colors are so beautiful. They go with any skin tone, from the fairest to the deepest and the darkest. I feel these are so beautiful. I waited so long to get this palette on my hands, and I'm so happy. I just can't wait to create all the looks. And I love the outer packaging. It looks like, you know, she's a goddess and she has a halo over her eyes and ears and all of that. Really pretty. The last palette I got from Huda Beauty is their Naughty Nude. I think this is more of a recent addition to her palettes, and I'm really excited for that. This palette has a lot of swirls. Like, you can see there's some blues over here, there's some swirls over here, and so pretty. These eyeshadows go well with everything. This has more of a marble type of finishing is what I feel. And this shade Slippery here, I'm just waiting to try how it's gonna look at. So yeah, I'm really happy, and they come with like good sturdy mirrors, so I'm really excited for this. The next couple of things I have is like a free samples. I got the Huda Beauty's 4 Filter Luminous Matte New and Improved. I got like some foundation shades to try. I got the Laneige Cream Skin Milk, like it's like a cleanser if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's a cleanser to try. The next 2 products I got are actually from MAC, and these are the last products I got. This is the MAC Strobe Cream. This is the MAC 24 Hours in Extreme Dimension Kajal. They recently released this, so I got this, and this was like a freebie. So yeah, we love some freebies. Those are all the products that I got from my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Come join my family, it'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!